Hey everyone, welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, like button while you're at it. We are reviewing today Beetle's Sweet Candy Gel Polish collection, and this is a 6-piece perfect 6 gel polish. These are vegan and cruelty-free, 9-free, all the good stuff. So as you can see, it says it there, natural resin, low odor, 9 toxin free, all that good jazzy stuff. And it gives you using tips, all types of directions on here. If it's too thick and it's in a cold place, how to warm it up and all that good schnazzle dazzle. And then it gives you directions, warning, storage, ingredients, and so on and so forth. So basically, I love Beetles, and I'm actually really interested in trying out their poly gel sets. I'm debating on whether or not I want to order it and get it and try it out for you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about that below. These are the colors on top. They're pretty true to color, I would say. Pretty much exactly the same color as on the tops. So we're starting off our swatches with number 006 today, which is this gorgeous aquamarine color. Okay, can you say like beautiful? This would be perfect for, say, like a mermaid set or anything like that, where you want to bring some blues into it. Anything with skies, anything with the ocean theme, pretty much a lot of different stuff. I mean, these polishes are just so dope. I love Beetles products. The quality of their products is amazing, on point, 100%. So yes, I love these colors, and so I put them in. Sorry about that, there's like hairs floating around in my nail room, and I hate when they get into the polishes. So this is our first coat, and a lot of these colors, I mean, you could probably get away with 1 coat. I personally always think that 2 coats is the best policy. This is number 901 now, so I don't know why the other one was 00, or was it 900? Anyways, 900, this is 901, and this is like a beautiful, like almost like a pastel-y, like fern green. I mean, these don't come with names, so they only have numbers. I personally feel like we should start naming them. So who knows, maybe I'll go back and like pop in some names for these bad boys. Anyways, you ladies and gents, let me know what you think would be the best names for each of these colors. And, you know, depending on which ones I like the best, I guess, maybe we'll just go ahead and pick some of those names and just name these polishes ourselves. Shit, why not? And I really want to save up money to like invest in my own nail products, because I think I'm just tired of looking for stuff and never being able to like afford a full line of anything. I'm just so tired of it. Anyways, this is 902, and it's a gorgeous peach color. Very pretty. This is number 903, which is a brighter orange, creamy orangey color. These colors are just so pretty. And again, the collection is called Sweet Candy, and it's by Beetles. I will leave the link for this collection in the description index below, as I always do for you all. And I will also leave links to other products that I use on a regular basis. If there's anything in particular that you would like to know or see or collab on, let me know in the comments below. Now we're going in with our second coat on these bad boys. So, you know, the first coat was everything, but check how amazing they look, even more so with the second coat. I mean, come on. So much better. So much better. 2 coats is just way better in my opinion. And I love their design on the bottles. I love that they, you know, keep with the whole Beetle theme. And now look at this gorgeous purple. This is number 904. Beautiful dark, kind of almost pastel lilac, but it's a darker pastel, if that makes any sense. Almost kind of like a neon pastel, but not really. Like, they have all different, just because you hear the word pastel, it doesn't mean that it has to be so light that you could barely see it. It just, pastel to me means like a creamy version of a darker color. And pretty much you could tell that this purple has been mixed with like a white undertone so that it could come out creamier looking. And that to me is like a dark pastel. Whereas you have lighter pastels, like that fern green I was talking about. That to me is like a pastel-y, like a pastel fern green. Pastel-y. I just made a new word. Pastel-y. Pastel-y. Now, these come out of my lamp like fully cured, not sticky. Now, I noticed on the bottle that it says cured, but I think that all that means is that you have to put it in a lamp. At first, I thought it meant that it comes out fully cured, but when I looked at my Gershion bottles, they say the same thing, and those come out sticky. So, yeah, thought I had a breakthrough, but nah. Okay, so this is number 905, last but surely not least. This is an amazing, amazing sky blue color. It is just, my God, can you say fluffy clouds? Jeez, this blue is just, oh, wow. It's really, really pretty. It reminds me, I don't know why, but it's not a periwinkle, and I know that, but it, for some reason, kind of reminds me of it in a little bit of a way, just because it's not your typical blue, and it's got like that, there's like an undertone, like a light purple undertone to that. And if you know anything about like the color wheel and stuff, then you understand what I'm talking about. But all right, so we're just gonna go in now with our second coat of this amazing 904 gorgeous purple. So we're definitely, we gotta name these colors, ladies and gents, because they just, it would be a travesty to put these away with no names and just numbers. I mean, who wants to be known as a number? I surely don't. But second coat on this bad boy. Can you say hello, nurse? Beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now for the second coat on this bad boy. Oh my God. Amazing. Love it. Love how these came out. If you have not subscribed yet and you're still watching, what are you waiting for? You gotta smash that subscribe button and show me some love. I got all types of videos in the works for us, and this is just the beginning. Ladies and gents, show me some love by subscribing and liking these videos and sharing if you don't mind. I really, really appreciate all of you. I appreciate all you being here and continuing to support me. I love you all so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video when you can. And I will see you all in my next videos, ladies and gentlemen. Check out these colors. Let me add that blue to it real quick. Those are the first 5, but I just love how Beetles picks out their collections and puts colors together. So I just think it's really cool. But here we go. That's the collection, y'all. So I will see you all in my next one. Love you all so much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out. Bye.